So guys, welcome to another gameplay here. Check out my YouTube channel. Name is called Chicken Pen Gamer. So this is Call of Duty. Not Call of Duty. This is I don't play Call of Duty. This is Call of Mini Infinity. So I'm just gonna play a team up game for now. I just started this game right now. I didn't even start playing it. Okay, I think, yeah. I'm just gonna create one. I'm waiting for players. Come on. Someone join the game, please. I need to wait for people to join the game. Actually, I'm not gonna join this game. I'm just gonna play some I've never played over before. I think this is team deathmatch. Jack is levels. Yes. Yes, there we go. We're doing a team deathmatch here. So let's start the game. So I'm just gonna follow them first. Yeah, second one. I just have this gun. So where are they? Oh my gosh, Jeffrey is the man. Okay, I'm gonna kill Jackie. Come on, give me the kill. No, newbie kill them. Reload here. Oh, again, Jeffrey, I can kill them. Like, now I'm shooting. I'm gonna shoot him. It was a glass. I'm gonna shoot Jack. Jack is awesome. Jack is so strong. How can my team be so good? Jack is here. Oh, newbie is awesome. Jack is not dead. I think I'm gonna be killed too. Yeah. Oh, I'm so bad. I didn't get some kill yet. Come on. Don't listen to my brother. Come on. Jack is dead now. How can you be so strong? His blaster is better than me 10 times, right? Oh, why is he so good? And I just have one character. I just started that. I'm just a beginner. We didn't get one kill yet. Come on. Go on. Jump. Faster. Jump. No. That is a shotgun. I know that. Yes, finally I got the kill. Yeah, so Jack is up here. Okay. And oh, he killed me. Oh, come on. I think this is gonna be like the other minutes because I'm gonna play it next time again. I'm gonna protect. Actually. There you go. I need support. Oh, I know what this. Oh, I mean that if it's electricity, then we can back then no help. Yes, I killed Jack. Yeah, so I'm shooting this. Shooting and get the kill, get the kill, get the kill, get the kill, get the kill. Oh, why is Jack so good? I'm serious. Okay, guys. I think I'm playing. The 2 kills. Oh, they're so good. Okay. 60 XP. And now I need to buy a new game. Like, not new. What setting? I need to edit. I need to buy a weapon. What? Level 3. What is this? I think this is too hard. Mega Spitter. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So
Actually,
15 minutes. 30 past.
Yeah, no,
pass 咗整唔到㗎，你要重新嚟過啦。
yeah，唔好嘈啊！
話俾你聽啦。
唔好嘈啦，得㗎啦。I just have a little bit something. I think I'm gonna quit the game now, maybe. Yeah, I think I'm finished.